Okay, as you can see, I took a couple of the bricks out, and you can see how worn down the bricks are. They're breaking apart and just in pretty bad shape. So we're going to go ahead and get these bricks removed. There's some of them I have to make special bricks for. I get a tile saw and saw these special shapes out here to where they'll fit into special places. And they're all broken apart. So I'll carefully put them together like you see, and take measurements on these and cut these special to go back in place. Got 4 boxes of these 9 by 4.5 by, I believe it's 1 1/4. Yeah, 1 1/4. And they come, I got these on Amazon, they come in a package of 6. And they got this foam all around them, and they come in this box here. And then there's another piece of foam, the same size as this one that goes over top of these. So no problem in the shipping. You could probably get them down there at your hardware store as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get going and take the rest of these out. Okay, now the rest of the bricks, actually the bricks that I have to lay on the bottom, I have to lay 4 pieces down here, and I have to cut those to length. And now I borrowed my son's tile saw that he just got the other day, so we can do some tile work on his fireplace. And so I'm going to borrow it for an hour or so and cut the rest of the tiles that we need, or cut the rest of the fire brick that we need to finish out this job. So we're going to go out there and cut a few bricks. Okay, here we are in our final stretch of the game here, and hopefully all my cuts worked out the way I wanted them. That one's just right. take about a blade width off of this one. So there's a couple of these things that need to take about a blade width off, and so not quite ready on those ones. Okay, well that does it for the brickwork on the inside of the fire brick, and a quick touch up of the paint on the wood stove here. And we also got the door gasket in place and glued in, so that should serve us well this winter. There's a little bit more work. I need to clean a chimney out. All right, that wraps this up. So I hope this helps somebody out, and thanks for stopping by, and take care, and God bless.